Pour softener for cloths in the lemon and you will not want to make another recipe. If you stay until the end, you will discover this powerful tip that few people know. To start, I'm going to use 3 medium-sized lemons. With the help of a knife, I will cut the upper part in 2 parts. I would like to know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting goes to Margarita Pineda, who is watching us from Mexico. Thank you for watching and enjoying each tip. Next, I will take 3 containers and put the lemons individually in each container. The fragrance factories will not like me to tell you this, since this will give your house a lasting smell, and once you prepare it, you will stop spending on toxic fragrances that can affect your health. Ideally, you should use 3 lemons, since we will prepare a different smell for each room of your house. The next step is to take the first lemon, and I will start by adding a tablespoon of coarse salt. The second essential ingredient that I will use is alcohol. I will add 3 tablespoons, which will be more than enough for the preparation of our first fragrance. This not only scents, but it is a very nice ornament. When I receive visits at home, they always ask me for this recipe that I am showing you now. For the second lemon, I will add a tablespoon of coarse salt again, and right away I will add a good stream of fabric softener. The one I am preparing now is perfect to use in your room, since the softener will always give it that typical fresh smell of clean clothes and sheets. And if you prefer, you can vary the ingredients and use disinfectant or other fragrance that you prefer, since tastes and options are very versatile. Next, for the third lemon, I will repeat the process by applying a tablespoon of coarse salt again. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of 70% liquid alcohol. Next, I will add about 10 cloves of smell. The latter not only acts as a fragrance, but contains a substance called eugenol, which is ideal for repelling insects. I am sure that after doing it at home, you will come here to thank me for the result in your house. Now we are going to place it in different parts of the house. In my case, I am going to put it in the living room, in the bathroom, and in the room, since they are the places that need the most smell in the house. If it is the first time you look at one of our tips and you found it useful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you made it this far, leave me the phrase, "smell like a rich house," so I will know that you saw the full video. See you next time!